Hey guys, this is Justice Spectrum here, and today I've got a bit of an interesting video. Well, we'll see if it's interesting. So yeah, my coworker, today gave me a box of cookies, and so also recently I ordered this, Airsoft Uzi. It's really not very powerful. You can see I shot myself on the foot there. It hurt a bit, but it wasn't really bad. And so I thought, it hurt enough that I, for some reason, thought that the cookie would break when I shot it. So I shot one at it earlier, and nothing really happened. So I'm just gonna see how many shots it takes to properly break that cookie up. So, let me just... I'm hoping I won't have to refill this clip. It holds 19, I think. So let's just see. That's one. You can see it right there. Made a nice, decent sized hole. It made a bigger one than it did last time. I wonder if there's a way to get this camera set up better. Here, I'll just hold it between my knees. Alright. That one didn't sound like it came out right. Oops. It's clogged. So I need to do that. Oh my gosh. What an awful mess. There's still one stuck in here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, there's just a whole bunch here that I'm going to have to reload now. You definitely picked on the wrong video. Picked on the wrong video. Clicked on the wrong video. Oh wow, look, I just shot it at the cookie, stuck in there. This cookie really isn't getting damaged at all. I mean, look at that. So, cookies are more dangerous than Uzis. That's what you need to take away from this kid. Did I? Dang it! That one got stuck as well. Alright, so as you can see, nothing's coming through. I'm gonna cut ahead till I get my gun loaded up, and then whatever. Alright, new clip, new side of the cookie. Let's try this again. Alright. That one stayed. Get out, mate. Nice thing about having a low-powered gun at such short range is that it's very easy to get your ammunition back. And you know what? I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there. I think this side of the cookie is softer. Oh no. Jammed again. This thing takes too long to unjam. Oh, I think I'm coming through now. And there we go. Voila. Right through the cookie. I'm not sure how many rounds that took, but I'll probably put the number up on screen. And I'll see you later. Alright guys, it's now much later, but I just want to see how many cookies my Crossman Pumpmaster 760 will go through. So, because it's considerably more powerful, so I just wanted to do this as well. So I got the rest of the box of cookies here. I'm guessing it'll go through like 3. I'm guessing it'll stop at 4. I don't think this has that much more power. I know it's got a lot more powerful than the other thing, but just going through that, I mean, it still ain't super powerful. I'm guessing 5 max. But my bet will be on 3. So now let me just get on with this then. Alright, and of course you gotta put a giant acorn in the lid to make sure the lid stays down. Like so. And cookies all there. I'm gonna cock my gun, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, so got the cookies down. They're just about 10 feet away. I accidentally over pumped this gun. It's the first time I ever did it, and I was stupid, lost track, pumped it like 13 times. You're not supposed to pump it more than 10, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Alright, laser's on, safety's off, line it up, see if I can hit it. I don't know if I hit it, but we'll see. Is it just me or have I been saying we'll see a lot? Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that right there, but I shot too low, so we're gonna have to try this again. Oh, and by the way, in case you're wondering how I could miss at such short range, can I just remind you that my laser is mounted on the top of my gun. Lasers are generally not supposed to be mounted on the top of your gun. They're, like you can even see, the power button is printed that way around. But yeah, let me just turn the light off, turn the laser on, and try to get this right. I didn't hear anything hit, so it probably didn't hit plastic. Let me grab my flashlight and let's head over there. Okay, you can see it hit right there. Went through 1, busted through the top of that one. That's 2. Looks like it went in very small entry hole in that one. You probably can't even see it, but it did go through that one. Actually, I'm not sure if it went all the way through that one. I think it might have stopped on the 3rd. So, by the way, I'll try to remember not to record at night next time. Let me see. I can't find it. Maybe it didn't go into this one. Nope. So yeah, if anybody ever comes into your house with... Oh, it did. There's the bullet. You can see the BB is right there. Right there. Focus. There you go. So yeah, if anybody ever storms your house with a BB gun, all you need is 3 cookies and you can block him. But also, if you were wondering why this isn't on God, Guns, Gaming, and GOP, even though it's about guns, I ain't really talking about them. I'm just shooting them, so I don't think it qualifies. Anyways, though, that'll be the end of this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.